Hey guys, it's Nicole. Today I'm going to do a quick product share for the stuff that I'm going to be using from the NicoleJones911 design team. I was kind of short on time and overwhelmed for some reason, so I kept it down to just 10. I just kind of picked 10 super basic files and went ahead and printed them out. Woke up this morning thinking that we had school. Turns out we don't have school, so now I kind of have this like whole day that wasn't planned to get some stuff done. So I, again, am really trying to get back to my Easter kit and get that thing killed. So with that in mind, I picked up the pink letters. So basically I just kind of went in and was filling in some of the colors of stuff that I don't currently have. So this is pink 1 in the Feeling Good tiny letters, and these are the square ones. I still am kind of messing around with the circle ones. I think I found a punch online that I want to order and try and see if that will work, but it's a $40 punch, so the sort of budget friendly girl inside of me is screaming, so I'm kind of still debating about that. But I picked up a pink 1, and then again, just to kind of fill in some of the colors that I was missing, I picked up blue 1, which kind of just reads as like a good like basic blue. This kind of reminds me of the color that I was having a hard time matching with Doodlebug. Brown 1, which leans a little gray on my printer. Like I've mentioned before, depending on your setup, your paper, your printer, even the computer you're printing from, it's going to be a little bit different. Even if you send out to print, everybody's is going to kind of look a tiny bit different. Then I picked up some more grid paper. This is the blue 1, and I stick to the medium grid. That's the one that I tend to like, and it prints pretty good. This one I do need to reprint. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but because this was the first thing that I printed this morning, my printer kind of left some like splotches from the like thing that the wheels that it goes through. And then I've got brown 1. So again, I love this for just kind of like a B-side cheat, typing or journaling on, that kind of thing. Turquoise 1, and then orange 1. So again, I just pulled up the stuff that I had already downloaded, grabbed some colors that I didn't already have, and just kind of did that. And then I picked up the light gray 2-inch circles, and I don't have a 2-inch punch. It's probably something else I should put on my shopping list, but I did have these. These are super old Spellbinders dies. And one of these actually worked perfect, so for now this is kind of what I'm using. And then two of the, so these two I got are kind of more of like her like themey colored type things. So this is the Pastel Paradise 2-inch circles, and again I do like these because instead of getting like a full page of turquoise, I don't need a full page. Gray is kind of easy to use. I like the fact that on this one you're getting pretty much 2 of each color, and then the bottom row is a repeat of the first 2 rows. So you're getting 3 of these colors and 2 of these colors, and I'm thinking that some of these I can kind of stick in with my Easter kit too, just to fill in, because I've already used up a lot of the sort of basic die cuts and stuff like that, and then I'm left with all the very themed things. So I think this is going to be a good filler for that. And then I got the Cozy Cafe 2 in the medium grid to kind of give this one a try. So this one is basically, the bold line is turquoise, and then the small grid lines is like a faint pink. So you've got turquoise and pink mixed together in the grid. So this one I think I'm going to try out and see how I like it with the multiple colors. At first when I looked at it on the screen, I was like, ooh, I don't know about it, but then kind of had to remind myself that it does print out a little bit more muted. So that is everything that I have downloaded and printed for the month. And then with that, I'm just going to leave you and let you guys know to check the description box down below. I'll have a link to her store. I'll link a couple of videos that I've used her products on, and then there's also a discount code that you can use in the shop. It's just Nicole10, which basically links back to me. I don't get like any money from that. It just lets her know that the like design team is bringing traffic to her website, that kind of a thing. But it is a 10% off code, and I think the store went back to full price as of now. I think her big like Christmas Black Friday thing I think is over. I might have to double check. But again, I'm trying to post as much in the description box as I can to kind of answer your guys' questions, because it is taking me a couple days to answer questions in comments just because I'm limited on time with a computer right now. So with that, I'm gonna say thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys later this week with another process video.